In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open locked folder in Google Photos. If you have private or sensitive pictures stored in Google Photos, the locked folder is designed to keep them more secure and separate from your main photo library. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find it and access it from your computer in a simple and straightforward way. To begin, open Google Photos on your computer. You can do this from your web browser by going to Google Photos and making sure the page loads fully. If you use more than one Google account, it's a good idea to double check that you're in the correct one before moving forward, since the locked folder is tied to the account where those photos are stored. Once you're inside Google Photos, look for the Collections section. This is where Google Photos organizes different types of content in folders. Go into Collections and then look for the option labeled Locked Folder. Depending on your screen size or layout, you may need to scan the page carefully, but it should appear among the available collection options. When you select Locked Folder, Google Photos will ask you to log into your account in order to continue. This extra sign-in step is there for security, which is the whole point of the Locked Folder feature. It helps make sure that only the account owner can open and view the photos stored inside. Go ahead and complete the login process for your Google account. After you successfully sign in, you'll be able to access the contents of the locked folder and view the photos inside Google Photos. If the folder doesn't open right away, give the page a moment to load, especially if your internet connection is slow. Also, make sure your browser is up to date and that you haven't accidentally signed into a different Google account. Those are the most common reasons people can't find or open the locked folder on desktop. One more helpful tip: because locked folder is meant for privacy, some features may behave differently compared to your regular photo library. So if you notice a more restricted view, that's completely normal, and that's all there is to it. Open Google Photos on your computer, go to Collections, find Locked Folder, and sign in to access your protected photos. If you follow those steps carefully, you should be able to open your locked folder without any trouble.